The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore
You're the bar.
the signs we've had enough.
You as well, Jake?
The whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out.
Hey guys, it's Nicole, and I like real fruit ice creams.
We're all good. We got searched the whole truck. No fucking good. What are you doing, Jake?
Because Liam was a fucking idiot and decided to leave some shit.
Not me. I'm good. Someone decided to bring a bowl of vodka.
It was Jake. I had nothing with me, eh?
You're so innocent, aren't you,
I'm
Courtney?
so innocent over here.
Who wears the pants in a relationship?
Me, I do.
Who doesn't then?
I wear a skirt.
Oh.
Scotty doesn't wear pants.
You alright, Scotty? Are you okay? You guys are asking your boys if he's okay.
All us boys are in a relationship and I wear the pants. I'm the king. I'm top dog. I'm top dog. I wear the pants, man.
Find a way, find a way out. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing.
Don't be least.
Why do I have to suffer through the thinking?
Cheers, mate, today, bro. You want a free fucking drink? Nah, bro, you're right. You're good.
Have the feeling that we're sinking. I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out.
Can I have a hug?
I just ate shit.